IT word family. Kindergarten phonics lesson blending onsets and rhymes of CVC words. These are objectives and Common Core standards. These are more objectives and Common Core standards. Say the sound of the initial letter. I. The sound of the short vowel sound of the letter I. Say the sound of the final letter. T. Blend it. I, T. Say it. It is a group of letters called the rhyme. Now we are going to add a consonant at the beginning of it to form words. This consonant is called the onset. Say the sound of the initial letter K. Blend with it. What word did you say? Kit. Say the sound of the initial letter W. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Wit. Say the sound of the initial letter Z. Blend with it. What word did you say? Zit. Say the sound of the initial letter B. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Bit. Say the sound of the initial letter F. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Fit. Say the sound of the initial letter H. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Hit. Say the sound of the initial letter P. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Pit. Say the sound of the initial letter S. Blend it with it. What word did you say? Sit.